In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Bitwarden extension on your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Bitwarden is a popular open-source password manager that helps you keep your online accounts secure with ease. Let's walk through the process, so by the end of this video, you'll have the extension up and running smoothly. First off, you'll want to start by accessing your Bitwarden dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. This is an essential step, as it leads you to all the necessary resources for downloading the Bitwarden extension. Within your profile, you'll find an option labeled Get the Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a new tab in your browser and direct you to Bitwarden's official downloads page. Here, you'll be presented with a selection of options. Bitwarden caters to various platforms and browsers, so rest assured you will find what you need here. To focus on installing the browser extension, locate the section dedicated to browser extensions. You'll see options for different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Select the browser you're using. In our example today, we'll pick Chrome, but feel free to adapt these instructions to suit your browser. Now that you've selected Chrome, you'll see a button that says Download Now. Clicking this will lead you directly to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions and offers a secure way to download and manage extensions. In the Chrome Web Store, you'll find the Bitwarden extension page. Take a moment to review it and ensure it matches the description from the Bitwarden downloads page to verify its authenticity. With the extension page open, you'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click on it. When you do, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the addition of the Bitwarden extension. It's wise to review the permissions requested by the extension to ensure you're comfortable with them. Once you've done this, click on Add Extension. After a few moments, the Bitwarden icon should appear at the top right corner of your browser, along with your other extensions. You may also receive a notification confirming that the installation is complete. Congratulations! You now have the Bitwarden extension installed on Chrome. Remember, if you're using Firefox or Safari, the process is largely the same. Simply follow the links from the downloads page to the appropriate extension store for your browser. Whether on a desktop application or as a browser extension, Bitwarden is a versatile tool for managing passwords, and setting it up is a straightforward task with long-term benefits. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide, and happy password managing with Bitwarden.